Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video I can show you how to use private space on your Pixel 10 Pro device. Pixel's private space provides a secure and confidential area on your phone, and to enable it you should open Settings first, then scroll down and find Security and Privacy. Here you should scroll down again and find here on the bottom of the list Private Space feature. You can verify that it's you using your face or using your fingerprint or PIN code. And cool, here we are. We can set up our private space, so click Setup button and choose a new lock for private space. If you want, you can use another pattern lock or PIN code for your private space. I want to use my normal screen lock, just not to mess up in my access. And cool. And now, as you can see, I have private lock here. But how it works? It works really easy. You just should scroll a bit down, and on the bottom of this main menu you will see private button. Click on it, verify that it's you, and as you can see here we have this really strange main menu. What can we do that? Guys, it's very easy to do. First, I will show you the settings. Here you have private space lock, same as device screen lock. You can change the password from your private space. Lock private space automatically. You can set it up every time device locks, 5 minutes after screen timeout, only after device restarts, as you like. Hide private space, you can hide it. So as you can see, if you will hide it, you will need to enter some code in the application search line, as you can see, as here. And even after that, you will be able to use your private lock. So private space will hide the next time. To access private space, enter private space in the search bar from apps list. Got it. I like to use this feature. Okay. And here, what we have here. So we can add some applications to the private lock. For example, we can add some apps that we can have it only in the private space. For example, let's see. I will take some pictures here, and now when I open in this application, camera app, I can see these photos in my app, right? And I can see these photos in my Google Photos application. As you can see here, I have no Google account in the private space, but I have it when I open in normal Google Photos. And as you can see, there is no... Okay, let's go. And as you can see, there is no recently added pictures in normal space, right? I have it only here in the private space. And you can even install applications to the private space using different Google account. So it's really cool privacy feature that I really appreciate we have it in Pixel devices. So that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it's true, please consider to leave a like and a comment below. See you.